guys, welcome back to today's video. Today, I am going to be making some pink glitter glue slime, and I will see you guys, also with a little tint of this. It's like a pink color. And I'm going to do a little tiny, itty tiny bit of purple foam beads. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I will see you guys when all the glue is poured out. So guys, I have all of the glue poured out, and I'm just going to add a tiny bit of my paint. Oh geez, that was a little bit more than a tiny bit. But yeah, that's how much I did. So I'm just going to stir it up. Going to stir that up. Hey. I will see you guys when it's fully stirred up. So guys, it is fully mixed up, and I'm going to add a little bit of Tide detergent. So, yeah. You can use any activator you want. There's borax, contact solution, and baking soda, and also Stay-Flo. There's different ways that you guys can pronounce it, but I pronounce it Stay-Flo. Stay-Flo. See, I'm just going to add a tiny bit of Tide, I mean. And yeah, you should do only a little bit at a time, because if you do too much, then it might become like a bad slime, and it might become thick. So like, you won't be able to stretch it. Add a little bit at a time. And you guys, you guys don't have to add anything you want. You don't have to add paint. You can use white glue. But yeah. I wanted to use pink glitter glue, and I wanted to use the paint. So when it's like really it's like not sticking to the bowl, the sides of the bowl anymore, you can go in with your hand, and I just started to do that. And yeah, when you mix it with your hands, it is a lot easier, because it's, I don't know, it's just like a lot easier. And if you need to, you just add a tad more Tide. Just only a little bit at a time. Remember. And if you guys are not subscribed, please make sure to subscribe. And I am also going to be giving... Never mind. I forgot. So, yeah, I will see you guys when the slime is done. So, guys, the slime is done, and I am not going to be adding any foam beads, because I do not want to add foam beads. It's, really good without foam beads. See, I'm going to show you the slime. Oh, geez. Okay, I'm going to set the bowl aside. This is what the slime looks like. Here, I'll go like this so you guys can see it. This is the poker. It's a really good poker. It's really super stretchy. It's not sticky at all. Comment down below how many slimes you guys have. And at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you guys who the 2 people that I want to give shout outs to, and who I want you guys to go check out their channel. Okay, now I'm going to go into the light and you guys get to see a little bit better. So hold on. So it looks a lot lighter, way prettier and shinier. Look how pretty that is. And like, it looks pink, but like it's a hot pink. It's like the best slime. In the dark, it might. In the dark, this is the real color. In the light, it does not look like that. In the dark, it's the right color. Then, in the light, it is a total different color. So, yeah. So the two people I'm giving a shout out to is number 1 is Ariel Flowers. Go check out her channel. The second one is Cadence's awesome channel. Go check out her channel. And yeah, drop a like there on the video, on one of their videos. Bye.